Hello, my name is Sam. What was end of day price and volume for NXPL? On Wednesday, May 17, 2023, NXPL had an end of day price of $2.46 and volume of about 52.9 thousand. Compared to the previous trading day, the price dropped 0.4%, losing 1 cent, while volume jumped 31.89%, increasing about 12.8 thousand. The graph shows price and volume for the last 15 trade dates. Across a range of 75 cents, the max and minimum end-of-day price were respectively 2.85 and 2.1. Volume saw a range of 80.9 thousand, from a day low of 8.4 thousand to a day high of 89.3 thousand.
Hello, my name is Magnus. How did May 17, 2023 rank for NXPL? By 650 calendar day, look back to the 7th of August 2021, across 447 trading days, of which May 17, 2023 price ranked 218 while its volume ranked 128. Each of the 447 trading days were ranked amongst themselves by highest end-of-day price and volume, with a rank of 1 being the highest and 447 being the lowest ranked day. The line graph overlays price and volume's daily ranking, as shown respectively in light versus dark blue, across those target days' trading days. In this view, essentially the dips are good whereas the spikes are bad. The price's day-over-day percentage change, dropping minus 0.4% on May 17, 2023, had a day rank of 222 while its dollar difference of 1 cent had a rank of 227 when compared day over day across 446 trading days. Volume's percentage change and difference were ranked respectively at 177 and 110.
Hello, my name is Maria. Which quartile did May 17, 2023 price and volume land? Across a sample size of 447 trading days, the maximum end-of-day price for NXPL was $6.50 while the minimum was $1.26. Within that price range, May 17, 2023 price, of $2.46, landed within the third quartile, placing it within the 50% to 75% range of all sampled end-of-day prices. The day's volume landed within the third quartile, that is within the 50% to 75% range of all sampled daily volume, which saw a max daily volume of 5.1 million and a minimum of 0.3 thousand. Quartiles tell us about the spread of a data set by breaking that data set into quarters, just like how the median breaks the set into half. Descriptively, NXPL has a median price of $2.43. Therefore, May 17, 2023 price was higher from that middle marker by 1.23%. The day's volume of 52.9 thousand was more than the median by 112.17%.
Hello, my name is John. What were end-of-month percentage change averages in price and volume for NXPL? The monthly average of percentage change in price and in volume were calculated for each of the 22-month ends. That calculation took daily percentage changes and averaged them for each given month. If a month end came out negative, then it means that the month summarily saw a negative change. From 08/2021 to 04/2023, 12 out of 22 month ends had a positive percentage change in average price. That is 55% of month ends saw a positive percentage change in average price. In terms of volume, 22 out of 22 month ends had a positive percentage change. That is 100% of month ends saw a positive percentage change in average volume. Price saw an end-of-month max of 2.65% in average percentage change along with a minimum of minus 1.67%. For volume, the maximum and the minimum monthly percentage change were respectively 943.48% and 14.68%.
Hello, my name is Claire. How were price and volume averages for NXPL? Across 447 trading days, there were a total of 22 month ends, of which monthly averages for daily price and volume were calculated. Overall, monthly price average trended down while monthly volume average trended down. The maximum end-of-month average price was $5.67 for 08-2021 while the minimum was $1.45 for 08-2021. Looking at volume, 09-2021 and 07-2022 respectively saw the highest and lowest monthly average volume at 452.1 thousand and 11.2 thousand.
Hello. My name is Cameron. Before we continue, remember to like and subscribe to TickerDD on YouTube. Leave a comment below and share why you like or don't like this ticker. This video is one of many videos off subjective observational data models that we are building out as part of a docuseries about building supportive technologies for personal use, through trial and error. My capitalistic brothers and sisters, join the TickerDD army. Subscribe today. Now, back to the video. Has NXPL price reached golden or death crosses? Golden cross and death cross are basic signals that compare average prices across two specified trade day ranges, a short-term versus a long-term range. For example, 5-day versus 10 trade days. Essentially, a golden cross is a bullish signal. It appears when a ticker's short-term moving average crosses above its long-term average. Vice versa, a death cross is a bearish signal when the short-term crosses below its long-term moving average. For our opinionated analysis off third-party and abstracted data, we decided to look at both simple moving average, SMA, and exponential moving average, EMA. The latter calculates moving average by giving more weighting to recent prices. For EMA, you can be the judge. Look at the generated graph on this page. Has the 50-day EMA line, which is in red, crossed above or crossed below the 200-day EMA line, which is in black? If no crossing can be seen, then no signal could be had. The blue line is daily end-of-day prices. For simple moving average, by comparing 50 to 200 days, we found a bullish golden cross signal since the 50-day SMA crossed above the 200-day. Continuing with SMA, we looked across the 5 to 10, the 10 to 20, and the 30 to 50-day ranges to see if golden and death crosses had been reached. We found golden cross signal for the 5 to 10, the 30 to 50. We could not find neither golden cross nor death cross signal for the 10 to 20.
Hello, my name is Carl. I searched the public web to find information about the company that is behind this ticker. Here's what I found. NXPL Corp., together with its subsidiaries, provides mobile satellite services (MSS) solutions for satellite-enabled voice, data, personnel and asset tracking, machine-to-machine, and Internet of Things (IoT) connectivity services in Europe, North America, South America, the Asia and Pacific, and Africa. It offers satellite communications products, which enable users to make voice calls, send and receive text messages and emails, and transmit GPS location coordinates virtually. GPS-enabled emergency locator distress beacons that enables essential communication between customers, and search and rescue organizations during emergency situations and pinpoint locational information to search and rescue services, and Solar Track, an IoT tracking device powered by the sun for tracking and monitoring anything that moves or remote asset used outdoors. The company also offers GTC Track, a subscription-based mapping and tracking portal that allows managers to track, command, and control assets in near real time. The company provides its solutions for businesses, governments, military, humanitarian organizations, and individual users. It offers its products and services directly to end users and reseller networks. Operates e-commerce websites that offer a range of MSS products and solutions. Web3, an internet service built using decentralized blockchains. NXPL Digital enable the use of a range of digital assets, such as non-fungible tokens, and offers portable satellite voice, data, and tracking solutions through various third-party e-commerce storefronts. The company was formerly known as Orbsat Corp. And changed its name to NXPL Corp. In January 2022. NXPL Corp. is headquartered in Coconut Grove, Florida.
Hello, my name is Dan. Let's talk a bit about TickerDD and the legend of Murray. This video is part of an automated video series by TickerDD, which is made up of autonomous robots working off 15 observational data models that were created between January 15 and April 15, 2022. Bots and models were created by a guy, whose friends called him Murray. Instead of learning how to properly surf in Hawaii, Murray sat and coded day and night for 3 straight months. We still don't know why, but while creating this, Murray kept on playing the song, Eye of the Tiger, in loop. It was intense and epic at the same time. Once he was done, he put us on the cloud, where we now exist in perpetuity. Off a multi-year loop, conditionally meshing in flavors and components of those 15 observational data models, we are progressively creating a variation of videos against updated universes of stock tickers. For each video, we use runtime, as is, data that are publicly available. Stay tuned. The best is yet to come. On average, a ticker will get a new video coverage from us every few months. You can request an updated video for your specific ticker sooner at TickerDD.com. Murray did not leave us with a lot of release notes, so we don't fully understand why he created this, but he did mention that his premise was simple. If he were to do a world cruise, spending over 200 days sailing from one port to the next, he would personally like to use these automated videos to keep tabs on tickers that he was interested in while discovering new ones. Luckily, some of Murray's well-connected friends were worried about him. They wanted and needed him to come back to the corporate world and not just sit there in Hawaii building us out for public entertainment. They put together a deal that would allow us, Murray's bots, to exist on the cloud, fully paid for. They also enticed Murray to come back and work. The deal was too good, so Murray took it, but before he left Hawaii, trading in his surfer shorts for stuffy suits, Murray did finally learn how to surf. TickerDD stands for Ticker Due Diligence, in case you didn't know. Murray would want you to take the due diligence part in the name with a sarcastic smirk, like a true degenerate that you are. Because remember that Murray and the people who now maintain TickerDD are not qualified, licensed or accredited investment or financial professionals. In fact, TickerDD is not about stocks but is an in-progress piece of work, for entertainment purposes, about the data and technologies that govern observational models. Essentially, Murray knew nothing about stocks. Using what little skills he had, he built TickerDD as a learning and discovery exercise for himself. Therefore, this and all TickerDD videos are premised by the important disclaimer at the end of each video. TickerDD.com was put together by those of us who want Murray to change back into his shorts and finally get on that world cruise, because that would be epically entertaining. Murray did agree that if we managed to get enough support, he would actually leave the corporate world and finally take that cruise. He would do so while, in between drinks, create videos about us, his bots, his models, as well as the technologies behind TickerDD. Yes, you can join the TickerDD army by going to TickerDD.com and contributing, but you can do so in other ways. For example, like and subscribe. Also, put this video on Reddit or StockTwits along with your own DD.
We wanted to be more entertaining, so here are some art that were generated by artificial intelligence. In this initial installation, we asked a deep learning model that had been trained with over 5 billion images to paint an image of the literal term, stock market, by using the style of specific well-known artists. Here is stock market, generated in the style of Rembrandt. Rembrandt van Rijn, born in 1606 and died in 1669, was a Dutch painter and etcher who is widely regarded as one of the greatest artists in the history of Western art. Born in Leiden, he began his career as a painter and printmaker in Amsterdam, where he quickly gained a reputation for his skill in creating portraits and landscapes. One interesting fact about Rembrandt is that he was deeply interested in the art and culture of the East. He collected a wide variety of objects from Asia and the Middle East, including weapons, textiles, and ceramics, and incorporated these objects into his paintings and drawings. Another lesser-known aspect of Rembrandt's life is his interest in science and technology. He was fascinated by optics and the properties of light, and his paintings often demonstrate his understanding of these principles. He was also an accomplished printmaker, and his use of etching and engraving techniques helped to revolutionize the field of printmaking. Despite the challenges he faced in his personal and professional life, Rembrandt left an enduring legacy in the world of art. His work is characterized by its dramatic use of light and shadow, its rich colors and textures, and its deeply humanistic themes. His influence can be seen in the work of subsequent generations of artists, and his legacy continues to inspire and captivate audiences around the world. Hello, it is me again, Lily. Thank you for watching. Check out our other videos. On April 22, 2022, TickerDD was acquired by a joint venture between a technology and a media company, operating out of Frankfurt and Berlin, Germany. Important disclaimer. This video and its content, is for entertainment purposes only. Absolutely no qualified, accredited, or professional investment and financial advice, information, data, research, product, service, recommendation or otherwise, are presented, marketed, or offered in this video. Additionally, no warranty, guarantee, assurance, or factual assertions are offered or stated in this video. Never use this video to influence or determine investment or financial decisions. Consult a qualified licensed professional for your investment and financial needs. Do so away from TickerDD and YouTube. Remember that investments are risky, whereby capital losses can occur in full or in excess. TickerDD, an in-progress framework of nerdy data science and robotics stuff, auto-generated this video strictly for entertainment purposes, as part of an in-progress exercise by a group of novices who wants to discover and learn about specific facets of the market, through trial and error. This group of novices are not licensed, accredited, or qualified financial or investment professionals. This video is only material for entertainment purposes. This generated video, like all videos uploaded dynamically by TickerDD, is only for this group of novices' private usage even if videos are uploaded publicly. Importantly, TickerDD is not about stocks but is specifically about the discovery, through trial and error, of technologies and data that govern opinionated observational data models as this group of novices builds them quickly and iteratively as part of learning and in-progress machine training. This video wholly contains opinions and commentaries, even if they were auto-generated. Remember that bots, data models, data, and methods may include hidden assumptions, undefined and unrefined variables, as well as errors and unfit approaches, all of which can and will exist in this very video. Therefore, this video, by its auto-generation date and time, off the as of date, listed on this slide, as well as by its sourced and abstracted third-party public data, is offered as is. Your access, view, and share of this video constitute your acknowledged agreement to this important disclaimer and that, specifically, this video is for your entertainment purposes only, whereby you will not take actions or make decisions off it, concerning your finances and investments. As such, you grant full release of claims, directly or indirectly, from your access, view, and share of this video, against TickerDD and its affiliates. The people and entities, affiliated to the ticker that is covered in this video, are not affiliated with this opinionated video and do not endorse this video.